Training Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Training Review is a platform designed to help professionals enhance skills, but most people get this wrong. They assume all online training services are the same. The surprising truth is that Training Review focuses on accredited courses, verified instructors, and measurable outcomes. Pricing varies depending on course length and specialization. Short courses may start around, while comprehensive professional programs can reach or more. You won't believe the depth. Included courses often come with video lessons, downloadable resources, quizzes, and even certificate options to showcase your skills. Some programs also include mentorship or feedback from instructors, which adds significant value compared to free alternatives. Most people get this wrong by choosing only low-cost platforms without evaluating quality. While cheaper courses may provide general knowledge, Training Review emphasizes structured learning paths, industry-recognized certifications, and actionable skills that can improve your career prospects or salary potential. In conclusion, Training Review's pricing reflects both the quality of instruction and the tangible value of certification. By understanding course tiers, learning materials, and added benefits, you go from zero to pro in choosing professional training that is worth your time and investment.